Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? We are so fine over here. So guys, today is Monday and it's about 7:30 now. We just woke up. I woke up like I say like an hour ago, and I got dressed, washed my face, brushed, and then this guy woke up. Obi these days, he's a big boy. He wakes up early these days and he sleeps well at night. I'm going to give you guys his update sooner in another video. So this morning guys, we're going to be doing a day in the life video. I actually don't really have any plans, but you guys know I have a toddler, Kaima. Kaima will be going to school, so I'm going to get Kaima ready to school. And then this my little man has been having flu. Though I took him to the GP and we saw the doctor. The doctor said I should just give only paracetamol, which I have been doing. But though he's feeding very well, but I still think there's a need for me to take him to the hospital today because of the flu. And secondly, I noticed that he has been losing some hair. When I bathe him, some of his hair keep falling. Look at this. You guys can see this. Look at this. And then also see if there's any other thing he can give me for this flu. Also guys, I'm going to take him, today is Monday, so I'll be taking him to weigh him because I weigh him every Monday at the children's center. So from the children's center, I think we'll come back home, then I'll make the call because I need to, the GP opens from 8 to 10, so I need to make my call from 8 to 10. So when I come back, look at this girl, look at her, she's awake. Say good morning guys. Guys, so we're going to get ready so you can go to school, okay? You're going to school today. Yeah, today is Monday, and you'll be going with your whiskey buddy. You'll be going to drop whiskey buddy in school today, so she'll be going. Okay guys, so like I was saying, I was talking about also taking Obi to go and weigh him today because today is Monday. I usually weigh him every Mondays, so he has been progressing so far. Like he has never dropped. His weight is okay. He's so okay, like he's growing up so fast. So that's about that. Those are just the plans I have. I don't really have any much plans, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. So I'm quickly going to put the heater on so that the room can be a bit warm. Okay guys, I called the GP and they told me a doctor was going to call me back. So the doctor called me back just now. yummy in my tummy. 2019 boy.
Skin underneath looks really healthy, and it's just pressure patches where he lies, it rubs off. The hair was never meant to last. It'll fall out, and his next lot of hair will be really strong.
Alright.
So don't worry about that, that's fine. But if you strip him down, Dad, I'll have a listen to the lungs, make sure there's no infection on the lungs, check his heart, check everything's going well.
Yeah.
Has he had a high temperature at home? Does he feel hot, sweaty?
No. He's just okay, perfect. Hi guys. Okay, so we just saw the doctor now, and doctor said that it's okay, the hair, there's nothing wrong with his hair, that it's okay for him to lose his hair because he had much hair when he was born, and that's true. So as for his nose, he doesn't have a problem with his health. I just need to use the nasal spray to remove some of the mucus in his nose. It's perfect boy, perfect man, perfect Obi. This is just my lunch this afternoon: white rice and stew. Then I have my salad cream. I added it to my salad here. I have vegetable, sweet corn. I added some avocado here. That's just the only difference with the one I sent to my channel. I'm going to send the link down where you can find how I prepare this. But the only difference with this one is just that I added avocado. I just felt like I should add avocado, so that's just it with a little, with this salad cream. This is what I'm going to be having this afternoon.
Your big kid is coming to tickle you. Tickle, 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 tickle. That tickle him when I tickle.
Say hello guys. Say hello guys. What's it? Hi guys. Say hi guys. Say subscribe. Baby, say subscribe. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. 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 Hello guys. Subscribe.
It's just I know. No. Don't go. No.
Hello guys, I feel like it is time for me to end this video. It's almost very late, and it's about 8:30 now, you guys. And aside cleaning, making dinner, this is how far our day went. There was really nothing much aside, cleaning and making sure that the children are okay. And then Kama was playing with Obi. Kama is still in the room. She's playing in her room. She was playing with Obi. Obi has had his shower for the night, and very soon he will go to sleep. In the next maybe 20 minutes, he should be able to sleep, because he sleeps between 8:30, 9:30. It all depends on how he feels. So you guys, I want to end this video here. I'm happy I was able to go to the hospital to see the doctor concerning this hair that he has been losing, and the doctor just assured me that everything was fine. And also concerning the flu, the doctor asked me to use the nasal spray, which I have used it this evening. I wanted to use it in the afternoon, but he fell asleep, so I left him. But this evening I have used it, and he's a bit, I think he's very okay. He has been okay though, but I just wanted to be sure. I just felt like the flu has been on for 3 days, so I thought maybe the doctor would give me something else to give him. But the doctor said the paracetamol is very okay, that I should just go ahead and use the nasal spray for him, which I have done. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, send a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to put on your bell notification to know when next I send a video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye. Obi was saying subscribe. See, say subscribe.